In today's busy world, immersing in nature can be a potent remedy for stress and anxiety. Studies show that just 20 minutes spent in green spaces can lower cortisol levels, fostering relaxation. A wonderful way to incorporate this is through daily nature walks. Try to observe the colors, sounds, and scents around you. One inspiring story comes from a young woman who faced overwhelming anxiety and found solace in a nearby park, practicing mindfulness while sketching what she saw. Over time, she experienced reduced anxiety, leading her to encourage others to embrace nature as a form of healing. Start small. Set aside time each week to connect with the outdoors and feel the positive changes in your mental health.